Okay, so with that being said, how do we do this now, right? I would say, for those of you who are customers, just look at the list of projects we're covering that have a code review score over 85%. So the ones I'm looking at now that we've covered recently with a code review score over 85%, Chia Network, and then Integral, which is a DEX. So Chia, let me actually switch to, this is the project, Chia Network. If I pull it up here, this is on my watch list. Right now, I'm basically plotting and farming this project, and I'm eyeing this, right? Market cap under $500 million. I'm still watching this to see if it corrects. Basically, it's already down over 30% in the last 2 weeks, right? All-time high was 1,645, all-time low 558. So basically, my target is somewhere around here, basically under 600 bucks. It's getting close there, right? Right now, it's trading at on OKX and Gate.io. I may have to sign up for Gate.io and possibly buy some. But this is what I'm watching, right? Why do I like this project? One, great technology, right? Two, great fundamentals, right? The team, the investors, and it has a high use case. It has a potential to 5x. So right now it's basically a $500 million market cap. And if it does a 10x, I'm sorry, not 5x, 10x, that's $5 billion. So going back to what I said similar with Polygon, I look at Chia and I ask myself, this is a blockchain that's competing with Bitcoin, competing with Ethereum. Its main value prop is it's eco-friendly and it's meant to be more decentralized. And I ask myself, okay, what similar projects with the same use case and what's their market cap? Bitcoin's market cap, $650 billion. Ethereum's market cap, $245 billion. Cardano, $42 billion. BNB, $40 billion. Polkadot, $17 billion, right? ICP, $17 billion. Like, what's the Solana? Solana is almost $7 billion. So I ask myself, if this is on the same level as Solana, then it's very undervalued. Its market cap is $500 million. Solana, which is also a application, a smart contract blockchain, is $7 billion. So this could literally do a 10x, go from $500 million to $5 billion, and still be more undervalued than Solana. That's a great value investment, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Let's see what other EOS. EOS is $4 billion. EOS hasn't done squat in this market cycle, basically. So I ask myself, is this project, from a technology standpoint, better than EOS? Let's say the answer is yes, right? I believe the answer is just based on code reviews. I have to double check. But let's say they're on the same level as EOS. I mean, I think it's definitely better than Tron, and Tron is worth 4.5 billion. So as a result of that, I tell myself, okay, this has 10x potential with a code review over 85%. This is a good project to invest in. But even right now, I'm still not investing because I'm thinking, what if this can go lower? So right now, I'm just basically farming this. And I like projects that you can also earn passively. So projects like Helium with mining, Polygon with staking, and Chia Network with this farming, right? So this is why I have Chia Network. And right now I haven't bought any, I'm just farming this, but I do plan to buy this eventually. I'm basically watching this on my watch list. One other project I invested in recently, I don't think it's trading yet, is Integral DEX. Okay, yeah, so it's not here. This is basically a DEX similar to Uniswap, similar to SushiSwap. And the main premise is this is giving fees. It's a cash flow positive token. It's giving fees back to the users. So it's basically a DEX. And let me see their token sale. I think when they launch, the market cap is going to be under 200 million. Don't quote me on that. Because let me see if this is available here. Give me 1 second. If you're enjoying this live stream, please smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so they're blocking that. But anyway, I think the market cap when they launch is going to be under $200 million. So let's say this is a DEX, right? So what's a competing DEX? Let's go to Uniswap. Right? Uniswap's market cap is about $9 billion. So if we come here and we look at all these other automated market maker DEXs, right? So the great thing with CoinGecko, they have categories here. So you can just click on this and see how all this is performing, or rather looking at the valuation, right? So in this case, I say, okay, Uniswap's market cap, its valuation is about 9 billion. PancakeSwap is about 2 billion. SushiSwap is about 1.5 billion. Bancor is about 750 million. And I ask myself this project is currently valued at under 200 million. Let's say $200 million, I believe, last time I checked. And it hasn't launched yet. Because I think it might have been actually 130 million, but for now, I'll just say 200 million. So I tell myself, can this do a 10x? If it does a 10x, that would make it basically the third largest DEX in all of crypto, which I think is possible. So the question is, how good is it technology compared to Uniswap, compared to SushiSwap and PancakeSwap? Well, the technology score got an 85, Uniswap got a 94, right? So I then use that to be reasonable and tell myself, okay, there's no way it's gonna surpass Uniswap and market cap with a lower technology score, with a lower code review score. But let's say I think it has the same technology score as SushiSwap or PancakeSwap, then I'm looking at basically over $1.5 billion valuation, right? So if it's 200 million, that's slightly under 10x. But let's say it's $150 million market cap. That's a sweet spot. So if anything, I may put that on my watch list, wait for it to dip to 150, and then get in with a target of 1.5 market cap, basically a 10x price from there, right? So that's one example of how I would value invest.
TokenMetrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at TokenMetrics.com.